So guys, my bike's all done, oil change done, this baby is ready to rock. I'm gonna get on the bike right now and get it on the highway. I'm gonna get it on the 401. I'll give you a few facts about the 401 as we go along on this ride. Let's see how she rides after the oil change. Okay, let's do this. Alright guys, back on the road. Back on the road. Ready. Some tunnel noise. The tunnel noise is always fun. Oh, I'm lost. I'm trying to find my way back to the highway. My phone for some reason has frozen. I don't know what's going on with the phone. How do I get to the highway? Someone tell me. Oh, that's what it is. It's the highway right there. Okay, now I know. To make a left turn here. I figured this out. Finally figured this out. Alright guys, so let's get back to the conversation. I was kind of lost. I found my way. So yeah, I was saying this highway is kind of like the highway which I grew up riding on, the Western Express Highway in Bombay. Let me just give you a few little details about this highway, the Highway 401. It's colloquially called the 401, but the actual name of the highway is Macdonald-Cartier Freeway. So people who are familiar with Bombay, I was living in the suburbs there called Andheri, and from the suburbs to get to the city, the south of Bombay, I used to take the Western Express Highway. Now this Highway 401 is somewhat similar to that highway in the sense that it is the lifeline of this city, Toronto, and not only Toronto but the whole of this province. So Canada has provinces. For those who don't know, they don't have states, and Ontario is where Toronto is located. Just a few facts. And yeah, this is the lifeline. This highway is the lifeline to the whole of Ontario, right from the west, which is Windsor, which borders Detroit, Michigan, all the way to the east, which is another province called Quebec, where they speak French. Montreal is a famous city which everybody should know, would know, I hope. This is the Highway 401. We just jumped on it. So the speed limit here is 100 kilometers an hour. It's the lifeline to half of Canada's population who live across this highway. You can see it's a 6-lane highway. It's got 3 lanes which get you to every exit, and 3 lanes which are express where you don't have exits. You have it skips about 3 exits. This happens right through Toronto, and this stretch of highway, which has 6 lanes within the city of Toronto, is the busiest highway in North America. It could be the busiest highway in the world, not very sure. It has about 500,000 cars or vehicles which run on this highway on a daily basis, which is a staggering number, and it's always chock-a-block. Not now, for obvious reasons, you see the traffic is flowing, but when things get back to normal, if you're driving here during peak hour, man, you'll be stuck here for hours together. It's like the Western Express Highway, but in a different sense. If that is congested like crazy, there's not enough space. But here, it's such a big highway, and still, you can see the length of the highway. It's massive, and it still gets chock-a-block because It connects the whole of Toronto. The Highway 401 in itself, it's about 800 kilometers in length. It's a big highway, man. This bike is made for a highway like this because it hugs the ground. It's so heavy. And yeah, there's one major difference which I noticed when riding here. When I was riding in India and in Bombay and riding on the highways here, you need a heavy bike because the wind pressure, I don't know, you guys can hear it, I'm sure. There's crazy amount of wind pressure on these highways. And especially if a truck like this passes by you, you tend to sway a little, so you need something heavy which keeps you planted to the ground. And this bike does that, you know. I'm gonna have this is an excellent highway bike, you know, and I'm gonna have a full review of this bike in a future bike. Yeah, what more can I tell you about this highway? It's people follow rules on this highway, unlike Bombay. Yeah, that's a major difference of Canada. Is known by the 400 series highways, and 401 is one of them, which connects most of the major highways, at least in the province of Ontario. This highway for 401 is a little north of the city, and I'm currently living at the south side of the city, so I'll have to take one of the highways which connects to the south of the city. And that highway is coming up right now. It's called the 427 South. That's about it. A little bit of trivia about Highway 401, the busiest highway in the world. I hope you guys enjoyed a little bite about the 401. If you guys like what you see and you want me to survey other parts of Toronto on the motorcycle, I'll be more than happy to. But for me to do that, please let me know in my comments. Give this video firstly a like, subscribe to my channel,